Hey Glam Squad, it's Sarah. Welcome back to another episode in my Boss Babe series for aspiring makeup artists and influencers. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my top 3 ways to get music for your social media. A lot of people don't realize when you're uploading videos on social media, you have to use copyright-free music. Music is so important for your content. It sets the mood and the vibe, but unfortunately, if you do not use copyright-free or royalty-free music, you can run into some issues. Your accounts may be demonetized or suspended, or even worse, completely deleted. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 ways to get music for your social media, 2 of them being completely free for you. But before we get started, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying it so far, and subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this one. This week's comment of the week is from Elle, and Elle says, could you do a tutorial on how to do a 60s cut crease on prominent eyes? I love that era of makeup, but my prominent eyes won't cooperate. Elle, I totally feel your pain, and that video is coming up very soon. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So there's 2 main terms you need to look for when you are searching for music for your videos, one being copyright free and the second being royalty free. This does not mean that the music is actually free, it just means that it's free from any copyright, so you're not going to run into any problems with your videos. So the first site you can use to get free music for your content is actually through the YouTube Creator Studio. I know this is a basic tip, but a lot of people do not realize that this library exists. So all you do is go to your YouTube Creator Studio and it will take you straight to the YouTube library. You can choose from all different types of music and different genres. And you can also pick out sound effects as well for your videos. It's such a great tool, and because it's coming straight from YouTube, it will guarantee that you won't have any issues in your videos. The second way to get free music for your videos is actually through different YouTube channels. There's 4 channels that I like to use personally, and I've never had any issues with them. The first channel is called No Copyright Sounds, and this is one of my favorite YouTube channels to use to get free music for my videos. They have such a wide variety of music, and I also like to click into playlists, so it will take me to the different genres so I can kind of get a feel for what mood I'm going for or what type of music I'm using in that particular video. So it just kind of helps you narrow down your choices a lot quicker because there is so much to choose from. The second channel I like to use is called Audio Library, and this is one of my second favorites to use. It's one of my go-to channels. Again, they have such a wide variety and lots of different genres as well, so you're bound to find something that you will like in that channel. The third channel is called Trap Nation. Again, they have a huge variety of music, a lot of techno and a lot of house, so it would be one of my favorites. But if you're looking for something very upbeat for your Instagram video in particular, they definitely have music for that. And the last one is called Vlog No Copyright. Again, they have a huge selection of music to choose from. Again, just make sure with all these YouTube channels that you do read the description box and make sure you follow the rules in the description box. Some artists will ask you to give them a mention or tag them in your video to give them some credit for the music. So you just want to make sure that you're following all the rules so you don't get into any trouble or run across any problems in the future. I've been using these channels for years and I've never had any issues, but it is something to keep in mind that the artist can change its mind at any point and take their song down from the YouTube channels. So it may mean that in the future, if they do have a contract, that they may ask you to remove the song from your video, or you may need to share your monetization with the artist in the future. Now, I haven't come into any problems and I haven't heard of anyone that has, but it is something just to keep in mind with any music that you use. And you should also find a direct link to download the music straight to your device. If there's no link, I'd recommend you go to Google and type in YouTube to MP3 and copy and paste the music link from YouTube into the search bar, and you'll be able to download the song directly onto your device. The only thing with that website is that because it's a free website, you will have a couple of ads pop up, but don't worry, they're fine. You just have to click out of them before you can download your song. And the third site you can use to get music for your content is called Epidemic Sound. This is currently one of my favorites to use. Now, it is important to mention that it's not a free service, it's a subscription service. I pay $12.99 a month to use it, but it means that I have access to a huge variety of music. It's quite a small amount, $12.99, to have full rights to use the music, and it just means that you're not going to run into any issues in the future, particularly with YouTube channels, because your videos can go viral at any point and you don't want to run into any issues down the line, especially on a viral video. So just to protect myself on my channel, I like to make sure that I'm using music that I have the full rights to now and 5 years down the line. So it is a great option for people that are taking their YouTube channels seriously. But if you're looking for some free options, the other two sites that I mentioned are absolute lifesavers. So that is pretty much it. That is my top 3 ways to get music for your content. I really hope you enjoyed this video and got some value from it. If you did, let me know in the comments section, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I really hope I get to see you in my next video.